If you're experiencing a query timeout issue in SingleStore 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix the timeout settings effectively. Step 1. Check the query timeout setting. Review the current timeout settings in your SingleStore configuration. You can do this by accessing the system settings and looking for the query timeout parameter. Ensure that it is set to a reasonable value based on your workload. Step 2. Increase the timeout value. If the timeout value is too low for your queries, consider increasing it. You can modify the timeout setting in the configuration file or through the SingleStore management interface. Set a higher value that accommodates the longest running queries you expect. Step 3. Optimize your queries. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Monitor system resources. Check the system resources such as CPU, memory, and disk ISO. High resource utilization can lead to slower query performance and timeouts. If necessary, allocate more resources to your SingleStore instance or optimize resource usage. Step 5. Review connection settings. Examine the connection settings for your application or client. Ensure that the connection timeout settings are appropriately configured. Sometimes, adjusting these settings can help prevent premature timeouts during query execution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the query timeout issue in SingleStore 2026. Regularly monitoring and optimizing your queries and system settings will help maintain performance and prevent future timeouts.